Good morning, guys. It is me. I have school. I'm gonna decide for vlog. So I'm vlogging now. I'm doing everything on this channel. Bear in mind, it's my first time vlogging. Well, I do have vlog before. I never get to post it, so but I get to say that things I'm never get to post. Come and decide I'm just gonna post them and everything. I'm just wake up, I'm not brush my teeth or anything yet. So when I get ready and come back. So see you guys when I get back. I use the Eco Professional Styling Gel, black castor oil, and flaxseed oil, along with the Gotta Be. If minerals, something best believe. My class at 8 o'clock and it's to 8 right now. I'm not my anatomy live. If you know, I live at town and my school is Spanish town. So you know it's extremely late. So I go catch you at school. If I might not get for flag at school. Because I'm first year, you know, so I'm kind of busy. So probably Tuesday make it back. Bye. Hi guys. So I go home now. Everything. I never get to vlog today, but this is my friend. He's gonna say keep it real, Dainelle. Keep it real, Dainelle. Hold on. Me a burn up. I just reached home. And I have news. So I got certified in the business study. That means your girl can pursue it in university. Anyways, I'm really gonna keep up that video long because I'm gonna edit 2 videos. One for send out this week for view. Plus my video I'm gonna do Wednesday. This week is kinda hectic, but at the same time I'm gonna make sure so I keep on my blog today. I never really do much vlogging, I never really get the chance because my class run late. Just reach home. I'm really tired. So I'm gonna go edit it and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. And I hope tomorrow I'm gonna get for some more of my day. I feel like tomorrow I get for some more of my day. I'm gonna meet my friend. So peace. What's up? Keep it real, squad. No. So anyways, guys, it is June 16. It is officially Tuesday, and I decided to start this vlog late because yesterday I do too much. So I listen to music, I do my ear, I press. It's the first day. Everybody knows the first day of school or the first day back to school. Always hectic, so that's why I'm never really start the vlog early. I'm about to step out. So guys, wish me luck on my second day. I learned yesterday, you know. I'm going to do one short, but I'm never really get for vlog because my class run late. It start late and run late, and you know, just never really have the time. But today, hopefully, I'm get for video a little bit more and all of that. So please keep it real and watch this to the end. Bye. Oh yeah, yesterday I talk foolishness. If you notice my talk foolishness, I was trying to say that I got certified to study business because I got all 1s and 2s in my business areas. So figure this right. Anyways, guys, see you until I'm at school. Hi. So remember yesterday I did tell about my friend them. So 1 year I hide herself. So next to her on the back. Oh, you zoom in with this. Meet Ashley. She actually about the new form. I don't know she go on selection of YouTube for herself. And then you have Kefir when you have Yulani on her channel. And that's Ashanti. Yeah man, she get boss now. But yeah, so I never really get to vlog much today because camera did dead. Right now we are going to watch the what we have to make them know where we are going. Okay. Anyways, we are drive got the supermarket right now. Come in the car. Come with me. So you know me the driver, I'm there right here, so
I said them in a box seat. 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 And you know me I drive come now. And all. No sir. I think I'm in a car. Anyways, soon or later. Say bye. So keep it real,
bye
Dainelle.
Guys, keep it real with Dainelle, of course.
You have to say it.
Keep it real with Dainelle. It did start.
It never start.
Okay, whatever.
Them not really want to see me. I ask them want to see me feel lame. Sing. Me go buy the wedges. Hey, watch a big woman here. I'm pregnant now. Ashley, I left me alone. Now I'm gonna leave me. But anyways, guys, I'm about to. So guys, it is June 16th, Wednesday, 2020. I never get to close up my blog yesterday. I don't really want to go into that because but today I decided to make a vlog and just answer the question they want to keep on ask me. I want to bend it ask me from a job. Prank what day? Well, I soon make a do one video soon. Make a video but yeah, so I'm excited for right now. I want to set up the camera, but I don't know make it set up. For the kind of simple, but I'm going to put you right here. So I decide to make a do a prank. For my grandmother, I do one the other day. I insert one clip right now for this piece.
Will you join me?
Really? No
Things are really better.
No, sir. Only my honest hand.
Good.
Huh?
Sucker, shit doesn't sell. What? That's right, baby. Chip. Come on, everybody. Why are you chanting?
You just decimated an unarmed child.
You were so young.
Wow, what a jerk.
No way we're shopping at Wholesome Foods anymore.
Yeah, we quit. Come on, fellas.
Wait.
Yeah, what's your name, though?
I won.
You get money?
Tilly, Nanette.
You get money, Dainelle?
Yep, you did a real good, brother.
Eh?
What in the world?
Did you kiss down the water, Grandma? Sorry, Grandma. Hey there. I got hit in the mouth.
I'm gonna do a short prank. So I make it. Maybe I earn for you. I'm gonna use the toilet for you. But I can hold it in case so I can ease up my body, like part and so forth. Why? I thought about it in the toilet, but anyways, I have fake. I put little by myself and so forth. So I'm gonna use and make it. So I know. I have a little cup just to mix it. Sing the Bible. I'm gonna put the flour in there and so forth. I put the flour in there so you know it look kick up and look like this. And the way almost smart that time. But this side say I tell her I cut up some meat and so forth not too long, so I tell her say yo, you know somebody mash me up the grandma, I hurt me for true, I'm gonna do the for true. I'm anti-smaker them someday in my room, yeah. I tell them say don't eat nothing for me, nobody no for true kick. I don't know where you go with that. Auntie Tucci, why are you always catching up? Grandma.
What's your name?
Hello.
Yeah.
tell you something about some tea. We tell you for boy tea last night, you know you're not going on down. Place your pee right? Eh?
Wake up on it to hurt me.
We say place your pee right.
No, wake up on it to hurt me, Grandma.
See, baby, you're talking about something. We say tell you. Let's see if there's what's it? Is that going to I'll drink some of this. Jesus, in the name of Jesus. Where about
Hey guys, so today is Thursday. I do have school, but I'm not going to school. I'm going on the road. So I don't know when I can get to come with me because I do business. So I forgot to catch me when I come back. Me and my auntie and my sister on the road. So when I come back, I'll catch y'all. Bye. It has been hours. Hours. I'm gonna say it's been hours and I'm tired.
Well, apparently the phone can trade.
But guys, every phone can trade. Listen, everybody a trade it with you.
Me don't want the phone that ring. Papa, what's up now?
But yeah guys, so I'm still up on the road. I know I can't really get for better due to my location. So I'm just there. I think it's gonna change because it's not everywhere. Yeah, I'm just up on the road. Guys, I don't know if you eat green mango or not. I don't really like mango. I only eat mango if it turns a little bit. I'm gonna eat it out of it. I didn't set a bread. That's somebody for a mango. I am about to go home, guys. I'm about to go home. Yes, sir. I'm about to go home. Like, what did you do? Alright, auntie, alright. But yes, I'm going back. Whoa. Miss Lee, I'm going back. Yeah, my people there, Jamaica. It's so windy outside. And all of that. So I'm not gonna make a place windy. So if you're inside, you're inside. Until I want a feature. Anyways, bye guys. See you back when I'm so bye. I like to come. Okay. I'm ever vibe different on the floor. You vibe different on the floor. You know somebody you know yet, auntie? She not yet? Oh, she knows me. I'm just so hard on the floor. Well, I'm on the floor because I'm at school tomorrow. And I'll come right this and take up something from underneath the bed. And then me go do some shopping. But I've washed my mask all day. You see? And I can kind of do something about my ear. Because it shrink up all them things. So I'm gonna just come for end the vlog for today. Anyways guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Good morning, this is June 18. I guess I'm not even want to give me say 6:30. I'm gonna wake up. I'm extremely late right now. I'm not brush did not. I just wake up. I'm very late. I'm just sit last night, so I come early on time for today class. So we're gonna do right now. And that guys, but I don't know if I can see. Yes, miss. We just done class. I want to check my teacher. I want to say ice. So keep it real. Keep it real.
Keep it real with Dainelle, guys.
Miss, come here.
What now?
Are you two Mr. Gopan? So keep it real with Dainelle. So keep it real with
Keep it real, Dainelle.
Hola guys. So it is Friday, June 17, 18. I'll put the time right here. And I am currently going over by my church to watch a small little movie. So yeah. Next one I want to get back, I'm going to finish that video there. I'm going to talk to like one serious talk, so tonight I'm going to do one serious talk in the vlog. I'm beginning for talk to so I'm going to talk to my support with. So I'm going to go back and watch my movie on my church and I'll be back. So when I get back, I'm going to stop looking over this and look in at the camera. Anyway, so I'm going to go right now. My cousin is going to go on the road. Come here. I'm going to see her. She knows I'm like a vlogger a while ago, so she tell me what she's in quarter. But anyways, I go on the road, I go do some little thing. And come back on my ear. I try to make it not look all that bad. Because I wash my ear and then I back up on the road. But anyways, so I go in and then go on the road and come back. And guess what? I'm going to take y'all with me. I'm not going to get to take on with me because of mainly my location or the timing or how busy I'm going to be on the road. So that's something I get for, you know, bringing all the input. She thought was really because 2 minutes I film this. But anyways, I carry up on and I get to see her eventually. Until then, see you on the road. See your phone here. Try that.
Hello. Hello. Going town? No, town, darling.
I'm not stop singing 128 too.
Say the people. She know coming at me can't see over this.
Because that's what I do over this. So I'm going to the car first.
That's why I will
Little girl.
say keep it real then.
No, I'm not like you.
No, please.
Sometimes I feel like when you get to keep it real, then I'm going to That's crazy.
Forgot that the video.
Oh, darling.
Stop now. So keep it real there, no? So keep it real there, no?
If you got some master Spanish good yet, you know.
So it's Sunday, June 21st. So first, we get the time right because we can see me if I carry myself in all my vlog them. It might sound breezy because the fan and so forth. I'm hoping you can't hear me. But I just want to say happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there and all of that. Even if the father deceased, one of them not talk, one of them on good terms, or I can't say. One never meet one and support. At the end of the day, them partake in taking you in the world, so bringing you in the world. So at the end of the day, you have to just say your father. And for someone who might look on it a negative way to say I'm a father, I'm take care of me and good things, so I need to deal with him. At the end of the day, you have to kind of be thankful because him get the extra push there to become successful, be a better father, for who are gonna be a daddy like a man. Your father never get that treatment there. Make him be the prime example. If you say no, say my youth man get a better father, you know what I'm there? So yeah, you have to be grateful at the same time. And for daddy, if daddy I watch this and I'm gonna love you, hope you like a little gift, hope you did comfy. It's gonna come here and get it the next day because I've been away for it. But anyways guys, so happy Father's Day and all of that. Place kinda windy because my window home and the fan. So if you're not here, I'm sorry about that. I'm not gonna really can do this over. Anyways, just want to close on the bag. I hope you did like my back to school. It's my back to school vlog. I know I never really get for sure as much as I want, but you know, I said I better keep it real. We should not make it a short and all that. So I'm open to find it to entertain. I'm open to like if you see like a sneak peek on my doing on my week, or you can see my week busy, like busy because my everybody on the road are so yeah, that's what took place. But anyways, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the post notification bell to get notified when the next video drop and all of that. And know Dainelle come with it. I have plans for now so for it, but I have to talk to you guys about something I've been say from all of my videos, my vlog them in the week. So I'm going to tell you but I never get a chance, so I'm going to send it in the next video. So if you have watched the entire vlog and you reach part so this Sunday, that means I'm gonna keep it real, and then you will get to see the end screen, in which it will lead you to the next video that I'm gonna do right now to send y'all on Monday. Or you can just click the iCard that's going to be above right here. Yeah, for link on it to the next vlog. So go on to that vlog and get informed what happened and to answer all the questions y'all been asking. I'm really need to talk about it. Until then, bye.